Hello, I'm Ruben, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Sydney. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize your AWS Cloud Development Kit, Bootstrap, and deploy the CDKToolkit AWS CloudFormation stack. Let's get started. To use AWS CDK, you must first run the CDK Bootstrap command to bootstrap your AWS account. This creates the required resources such as Amazon Simple Storage Service buckets, AWS Identity and Access Management roles, and AWS Key Management Service keys. The command generates the bootstrap template.yaml file that contains the CloudFormation template that you'll use to create the CDKToolkit stack. You can customize this template based on your requirements. Let me show you a few common use cases. One way to customize your bootstrap template is to deploy only the required resources with the least privilege. By default, the CloudFormation execution role that you create during bootstrap has the administrator access policy attached, which provides full access to resources. To restrict the permissions of the CloudFormation execution role, you can create a custom policy and attach it to the role. The following example policy provides permissions to the SQS service. To create the policy, enter the following commands. Next, run the CDK Bootstrap command with the custom policy. Another way to customize the Bootstrap template is to customize the S3 bucket name and qualifier. The following CDK Bootstrap command defines a custom qualifier and S3 bucket. Next, update your CDK application app.py file to use the custom qualifier and S3 bucket. And finally, you can use an existing S3 bucket. Modify the bootstrap template.yaml file outputs bucket name and bucket domain name values. Add the existing bucket ARN to the IAM role policies. Update the CDK application app.py file with the S3 bucket name. So now you know how to customize the AWS CDK Bootstrap process and deploy the CDKToolkit CloudFormation stack. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.